Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I am embarrassed to say that I've been at Primark again, you guys. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Am I the only one like this? Really? Please let me know. Am I the only one like this? I can't be the only one who's addicted to Primark so bad. Like, it's actually getting embarrassing the amount of times I've been going to Primark recently. You guys have seen how many hauls that I've been putting up as well, because every time I go there, I feel like I need to share my addiction with like-minded people like you guys. So anyway, the Primark that I went to specifically, that you guys would have seen here on my huge bag, that way, Primark Westfield London. So basically, the brand new Primark opened in Westfield. That is Westfield White City. Shepherd's Bush, which is the Westfield that I often go to as I live in northwest London. So anyway, Westfield had recently, over the past couple of months, opened up a brand new wing of the shopping centre, and they've got a brand new John Lewis, the biggest in the country. Then they also opened up a brand new Primark, which is a couple of floors full of Primark stuff. Anyway, they opened, don't laugh at me guys, this just shows what a sad addict I am. They opened on Friday the 15th of June, which for those of you that celebrate Eid will know that was the day of Eid. What was Charlena doing in Primark on Eid, and why was she not with her family? Alright, so here's the thing, yeah, so me and my family, we were going out in the evening and doing stuff and whatever, so I went and got my car washed like I do every Eid, so I got a brand new clean car, and then I was like, it's quite early in the day, why don't I go to the brand new Primark, because it was opening that day. So I was one of the first people that actually went into the store. It was brand new, spotless, clean, everything laid out beautifully. The beauty section, guys, was in a state that I had never seen in my life. It was clean, it was tidy, nothing had been opened, and I got there at about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Everything just looked amazing. Their beauty section is gorgeous. Obviously, I'm not speaking about how it may look like now, because it could be a complete hot mess, but when I went there, it looked awesome. So let me show you some of the things that I got, because these are things that I had obviously not come across in other branches, which is why I picked them up in this one, especially because it was all laid out beautifully. I could actually see what was there, and I didn't have to worry about makeup that had been opened, because again, the store had only been open for about 4 or 5 hours. So the first thing I got was this, which is their Deep Cleanse Off Oil. Now this is in quite a lot of stores, it's just that I happen to see it beautifully displayed. If you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram stories, you would have seen when I went there and all the stuff that I showed. If you don't follow me on there, follow me, I'll link it all below, so you guys can see when I'm there, when I buy it, rather than waiting for me to see whether I upload a haul. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, so that way you can interact with me while I'm there as well. Anyway, so I got this Deep Cleanse Off Oil. It costs £2. Now, Primark being Primark, I don't always expect the best of a lot of stuff, but in fairness to them, their beauty blend and their accessories and that sort of thing are pretty good. Now, I can't close it. It's one of those ones where it says, turn left to open, turn right to close to stop it. I keep turning it, and I kept pressing it and it was still coming out. So this is not going to be something which is travel friendly, and I can already feel a bit of oil on it. So it's one of those things that's going to have to stay in your bathroom. But a really, really good oil to remove all your eye makeup and that sort of stuff. Really affordable, £2. It's great. Some of these things, by the way, I have used. Some of them I haven't, so I will mention. I was so excited when I saw this, you guys. Oh my god, it's a mini straighteners. Mini straighteners. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I go to the gym a lot and I take my GHDs with me, which are huge, when I want to straighten my hair, fix it up, when I go away for the weekend, a few touch-ups, when you go abroad, that sort of thing. You don't want to take that massive thing with you. This one is £5, and it comes with a little heat protectant wallet that you can keep it in. I've actually not even opened this. This is like doing it live on camera. Oh, that's very small. That's like, it's like my mum's tongs that she uses in the kitchen. Wow, I wasn't expecting something so teeny. Another thing that I got, and I have used because you can see it's open, are these 2-in-1 straighten and curl. So it's one of those tongs. I only kept the box for you guys, by the way. It's £10. It's one of these ones here, which is like a tong, and then you open it up, and it's got a straightener as well. So you know when you want to do those really slick kind of curls, so you go like this and then you twist it around and then it comes out in a beautiful curl. This is awesome for that. And again, for £10, it's excellent. It's ceramic coated. I have used it. It is just as good as my GHDs. just as good, you guys. The only difference is it probably just takes a little bit longer to heat up, but if you don't mind waiting a couple of minutes while you get all your hair accessories together and that sort of thing, and then it will be heated up and perfectly fine. Another thing that I got but I haven't used yet is this straightening brush. This costs £7. So it says it is the ultimate straightening brush for fast, easy straightening, LED temperature level display. It goes from 80 degrees Celsius to 230, and it has an on-off switch. So basically, for those of you guys who are like me, who've always got pretty much poker straight hair from straightening, by the way, because my natural hair is like, whew, it's huge. But you don't want to use straighteners. Using something like this is amazing because it retains a lot more volume than using straighteners as well. I also find with using straighteners, it can make your hair greasy a lot more quicker because you're obviously smoothing down the hair shaft. With something like this, you can still retain that volume to your hair like you have after you wash it, but then it can get rid of all the kinks and lumps and bumps that your natural hair has. Woo! Nearly dropped it just by using this. So really happy that I got this. And they've got a whole section full of different types of hair products. And I'm not talking about like liquids and things like that. I'm talking about hair dryers. I've got the travel hair dryer, as you guys know, normal straighteners, various different things, all under £10. I mean, you can't go wrong, can you? Okay, I only picked up a couple more things, obviously because I pretty much own all of Primark's beauty and accessory section as it is. I restocked again on my primer waters. These cost £2 each. I go through these quite quickly because at the end of the day, it is a liquid and it is a spray. So obviously spray. Within a week, already a little bit of it will be gone. So I go through these quite a lot. I highly recommend them. They're amazing primers. Silicone free, alcohol free and oil free. So amazing to use for those of you that have got oily skin especially, and you don't like those ones which are quite silicone-y and make your skin feel a little bit oily and greasy. These ones are amazing to use, great for traveling as well. You guys know how much I love their blush and highlighter palettes, and this one, I actually saw it when I was in the Watford store, but they were all broken and people had opened all of them and stuck their fingers in it. What is wrong with people that go to Primark? I don't understand. There is a tester at the front. So why are you opening up every single other one that is behind it when it's in the tester? I don't understand people's logic. Really gets on my nerves. That's why I'm one of those people who, if I look at it in the tester, I go literally to the back of where all of these are kept, and then I take one that I know hasn't been opened. This one just says PS Pure Blush Matte and Shimmer Blush Palette, and I love these colors. You guys know how much I love pinks. Look at that, beautiful. This is like a mauvey pink blush, matte, a bright pink blush, also matte. These two are highlighters, so you've got an ivory white shade, which by the way looks amazing on medium skin tones. And then you've got this one here called Hot Pepper, which is a bright pink highlighter. I have actually used this all over my eyes. I used this in my crease, and I used this on my lid. I used this on my tear duct and my brow bone. So you can use this on your eyes as well as your face. I love it. This is just what it looks like up close so you guys can see, so I can give you a little bit of an idea. That's how the highlighters look, beautiful. I got two more of their mini highlighters. If you guys remember from my last haul, I bought the peach one. So from this branch, I was able to get this one called Mink Pink and this one called Brunch Club. I've not opened either of them yet, so let me just remove the packaging without destroying my nails if possible. The thing about Primark is, God, they put so much plastic packaging around their stuff. It's so wasteful. But then it's not surprising the way that people behave, is it? But yet them scavengers still manage to break through all the packaging, the kind of packaging that breaks your nails. Alright, I can't get the plastic packaging off, forgive me guys, but hopefully you can see it like this. This is the shade Mink Pink. Gorgeous kind of baked highlighter. And then this one, which is called Brunch Club. Another gorgeous kind of, it's like an ivory sort of shade. And then this one, Mink Pink, is more of a kind of mauvey ivory shade. These ones are definitely the kind of ones that maybe people with deep skin may not like. You'd probably prefer the peach one more. I finally picked up one of their mascaras. They've got about 4 or 5 of them. I opened up the testers, looked at the brush, because I'm always interested in the style of brush. That is normally what is most important to me when it comes to a mascara. Generally, obviously, I wear false eyelashes, but still, for those days where I don't want to wear falsies, I can use this. So this one that I got is called Amplified. That was really lame. I'm trying to open it for you guys, but it's not happening. Anyways, I got one of their liquid lipsticks, Huda Beauty. They look like Huda Beauty's liquid lipsticks, don't they? Let's be honest. This colour that I've got is called Cherry Kiss. Now, they've got about 4 of this style of liquid lipstick. And I did swatch all of them, but I found them too nudie for my skin tone. But this one here, Cherry Kiss, was a gorgeous kind of warm toned colour. Again, which I can't open. Ridiculous. But anyway, happy that I got that. And then they've got a bunch of these little lipsticks lying around. Now, these 2 that I got, which are in a luster texture, were 90p. And then this one in the matte texture is £1.50. I'm not sure the reasoning behind the price difference, because they're both in the same section. They've both got that same MAC looking bullet type of style. But for some reason, this one costs more. Now, I do have another one of this, which is called Tickle, which is the most beautiful baby pink, you guys. If you can get your hands on it. I think I showed it in my last video, but I didn't say the name of it because I couldn't find the name. But I finally figured out that they have been putting it on underneath like normal lipsticks. But with Primark, a lot of their names are not written in the right place, or they're not written at all. If you can get your hands on that one, it's called Tickle. It is beautiful for medium skin tones. For those of you that like that kind of dull sort of pink colour on your lips without it looking garish, it looked beautiful when I wore it. Anyway, so this other one that I've got here, which is called Vintage Rose. This is the matte one, which costs £1.50. Why don't they have that serrated edge where you can rip them? What's wrong with you, Primark? I know that's probably costs you extra, but come on. Like, my nails are precious, boy. These are homegrown. I can't buy them in the shop. When they break, that's it. You got to wait another few months. Same with my teeth. These ain't no veneers, man. Look at how pretty that colour is, you guys. Come on. You're going to love it if you get this. Every skin tone will love this colour. It's beautiful. That was the shade Vintage Rose. Oh, they smell gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. They actually had a bunch of kind of brownie nude tones, but I just didn't find them very flattering. And also the other ones that I got, which are in the luster finish. I don't generally like luster finish because I just don't find that it's long wearing enough. But I picked them up anyway. This one is called Rosewood Mauve. Another gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Look at it. Beautiful. Lovely. And then this one here, which is a bright, bright, vibrant pink. And it is called I Dare You. Now, the only reason I got this is because it's a luster finish. Now, with products which are this colour, the pigment is so vibrant that even the top end brands cannot do this colour right. It always separates on the lips. It doesn't look very flattering. It gets kind of crepey and cakey and flakes off, which is why when I thought 90p, that's okay. And then I swatched it on my hand, and because it's a luster finish, meaning it is not as intensely pigmented as something as a matte, it means even though that the colour is vibrant, it will be a lot more flattering on the lips. So that's the reason why I was happy to try this. Now again, can I get to it? Oh, for God's sake. There we go. And that is what I Dare You looks like. Beautiful and bright. So you guys, what I'm going to do is I am at some point, in case you haven't noticed, I've been doing a lot more Primark makeup tutorials purely because it's an affordable brand. So many of you out there love Primark makeup the same way I do. I'm really sorry. I know a lot of you guys are US followers of mine. I'm hoping that at some point you will get Primark more stores. I know there are a couple in America, but I think they're very, very few and far between. But hopefully over the coming years, you guys will get a lot more Primark stores. If you ever come over to the UK, you can give your friend £10 and it will go such a long way in Primark. You've seen how cheap this stuff is. All of this stuff that I got, including 2 things that I haven't shown you, which was a Nintendo t-shirt I got for my brother, which he actually wore at Eid. I was so touched. And a wallet, a Harry Potter one, which actually does not even fit my stuff. I don't know why I got it. That all came to £55. So if you take away those things, let's call this between £40 to £50 was all of this stuff. Now, if you take out obviously the larger items like the hair stuff, it is what, 20 something pounds. So a little bit of money goes a really long way. So if you ever come over here for a break, or if you have you know somebody coming here, send them to Primark for you. They'll be able to get you so much cool stuff and you'll love it. So that's it on my lips today. I'm actually wearing a new lipstick from Revlon. It's one of their super lustrous lipsticks in the shade Blushed. It's one of their pearl ones, which means I have to top it up a lot, but it's a very shimmery nude, very flattering on medium skin tones. And anyway, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you all in another video, which is hopefully not a Primark haul, but I can't help myself, sorry. Okay, bye.